Hello, my YouTube family. Sorry I have not put out a video in a while. I have been not feeling well. But I did want to do this video. I already opened up my mail. I'm not going to put I did it today. I got it yesterday. But I was running kind of ragged yesterday, trying to take care of some things. But what I wanted to do, since I'm still battling with this crap, I wanted to go ahead on and attempt to plant them, I guess, propagate them. I think that's the right word. But my gift came from Pitt Kitchen and Garden, and I want to say thank you. I'm really learning this tree stuff, this plant stuff. So forgive me, guys. Y'all have to guide me through it and make sure that I'm doing it right. But I have been watching a few videos on how to get things started. And of course, there's a variety of videos out there. So I'm going with the one right now that I can I have everything to do it with. So, and excuse the lighting. My under island cabinet lights batteries went dead. So, this is what I'm going to do. I got some perlite, and I'll tell you what I got in a minute. What I did was I filled some pots up, and I got perlite in there. In the containers. They already have holes in it. I have me some rooting hormone already in a bowl. And I'm going to show you first what I did. Let me show you what else I got. Before I get to I got trees. So I'm going to tell you what else I got. I got cucumbers. These are the Chicago pickling cucumbers, which is great because I wanted some pickling something. I got the Burpee stringless green pods, like the green beans, garden beans. Some zucchini black beauty. Some sweet corn. These are Stowell evergreen. And I got some early scarlet globe radishes. Thank you, Pitt Stop, for that. And my husband say, you guys better quit sending me seeds. He said, I got so many seeds. Don't mind him, though. But also, I opened up. I got all my little trees up in here. So I'm going to show you what I got. And as I show you, I guess I'll show you me putting them where they need to go. So the first one I picked up is the white pomegranate. So I'm going to take this out. She have it wrapped up and she have it labeled. And I'm assuming, because I don't know what I'm doing, I got to take it out of this wrapper. And she have it wrapped up with saran wrap, which is to protect to keep it moist. So I'm gonna and she have it wrapped up with paper towel. And you gotta remember, I'm in Texas, she's in Vegas, and I will say the paper towel is still moist. So that's a good thing. She must have had it soaking. Good job, Pit Stop. So I'm just taking it off. And I'm going to have to get that up in a minute. The leaves, it still have leaves on it, as you can see. And it's 2 cuttings. This is the white pomegranate. So what I'm going to do, I just pulled them apart. And I'm going to go ahead on and take the, my scissors in my, I'm going to take the leaves off. Y'all, I'm just going to have to clean it up. Okay. I'm making a mess on my floor. I hope everybody's been doing okay, guys. I'm back remote at home for a couple of days, so my mind is fine. Let me try to get a knife. And I'm in my kitchen. Okay, so I didn't get a knife, but I got some scissors. So I'm just going to cut these little nodules off right here. In the stem, hopefully you can see, I'm going to cut. These are not the right scissors, but I did manage to cut a 45-degree angle, as it says. Okay, and then I'm going to slightly scrape. Around it. They call it slightly damage it. I'm really into it, huh? So it's not terribly damaged. I know it's hard to see, but I put some little strides in it. These here little things, I'm not worried about it. Then I'm going to dip it in the root hormone. And like I said, I found this method from another YouTube channel. It's been a couple of years of them doing it. So I just said, hey, let me just go with that one. Because if you look at 20 of them, you end up finding 20 different ways of doing it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my bucket, my pot, and it's just straight perlite in there. The perlite been soaking. So I'm just going to put this, as you can see, I've got the rooting hormone on it. I'm just going to put it in there. And I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Because you just never know which one is going to do it. So why not give yourself a chance for success. So I'm going to do it the same way. I'm just going to cut these off. And I'm taking these I call it branches, the leaves off, because then you'll know if it's taken, because the branches will regrow. You'll know something is growing. And I'm going to do that to all of the cuttings. All the cuttings. So after I do this one, then I'll tell you the other ones that I do have. I miss talking to you guys, but work has been calling me. So I have at least 3 nodules. I'm going to cut this one as well at a 45-degree angle. And these are not the best scissors, but this is what I have on hand. Then I'm going to just do a little scraping, damaging, as they call it. And this is the white pomegranate. So I'm dipping it into the root hormone again, just like the first one. And I'm not going to rewater these here because it's already watered. And it's in perlite. They say you want to keep it in something that's going to hold moisture. And of course we know that that's one of the reasons why we use perlite, is to keep it moist. Keep it aerated. So I want to make sure that I got it really good. Okay, got that one. I'm just going to stick this one in. So, and I'm going to write on the bottom, on the bucket, what this is, so I don't forget. Okay, so this is the white pomegranate, and I'm going to show you what else I got. I got fig. Now, I have never eaten fig, but when I was doing my preserves, someone was asking me, did I do the fig preserves? And I told them, no, I've never did it. But a couple years from now, I probably can do it. And this one, I'm assuming it's the Asian pear, because this is the only one that I didn't see a baggie for. And I know Her Healthy Home had an Asian pear. So that's this one. And I know the lighting kind of sucking right now, but my lights blew out. And I also have the yellow apple. So I'm going to do the same thing to these as I did with the white pomegranate. And then I'm just going to leave them over here on my under my grow light station with the lights off. Kind of keep them a little dark, not dark, but not in so much direct sunlight, of course. And they're going to stay in the house for a little bit anyway. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this mail call, this update. Thank you, Pit Stop Kitchen and Garden again. All you ladies, I do miss you guys. I still have videos I need to be putting out. And I do have some. I just been kind of like in a funky mood. So, but again, Best Yet, Journey, Garden with Joy, Gigi's Natural, Pit Stop Garden, Her Healthy Home, TT, Homesteader Chick, still miss you, can't wait till I see another video. Also, Raw Organic Roots, that's the young lady, always, support. I haven't seen a video from her in a while, and I really, would love to see an update with her. As well as Missy Grande. She's a really, really good supporter, and I appreciate it. Grandma Sandy, Homestead Aquarius. All you guys, I know I'm probably missing someone. Don't charge it to my head. Don't charge it to my heart either. I'm just a little under the weather, and I'm just trying to keep the spirits up. But I will be back soon with another video. I still have some footages I need to put out. Your girl went fishing. So stay tuned for those videos. And until next time, please like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll always know when Lovelady's putting another video out. Thank you, and have a great day. So, once again, I want to say thank you to Pit Stop Garden for the lovely trees, cuttings. Hopefully, I can get them to grow into trees and show you the progress. So, I'm going to try to turn the camera around so you can see the cuttings. I've potted them all up and on 10/9/20, so you can, along with everyone else, can watch them hopefully grow. So hold on, let me turn you around. So that's them in the 4 buckets in the back. They would stay under on my shelf inside until they're ready to be put outside. And since it's already fall, most likely they won't go out until spring. So I don't think they'll like shoot up like that fast, of course. But from time to time, I'll give you an update on how they're doing. So once again, I want to say thank you. I've never grown plants before as far as fruit trees. So this is the first for me. And hopefully I do well. So thank you again.